Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of this honey badger in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you this pet's ability, I'm going to show you where you can get this pet. Let me replace this pet in my garden first. Okay, and if you want to get the honey badger, you need to go to the honey coin shop. It's right here, and you can buy this honey badger with 1k honey coins if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this is the honey badger, and I'm going to go to my garden and let's view the ability of this pet guys. Okay, every 8 minutes consumes a fruit with honey glazed or pollinated mutation, then either spreads it to other 2 fruits or restore 16% hunger to another pet in your garden. Ignores favorite fruit. So yeah, it basically can restore your pet hunger and also spread the pollinated mutation and also the honey glazed mutation. Yeah, it's worth, but it's not that OP. So if you want to add this pet to your collection, that's okay, but don't expect too much from this pet guys. This is a legendary pet. And okay guys, that's all about the honey badger and grow garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.